The Punch-Out video game theme for the minor league circuit part of the game. The first half, you're going to have your left hand in first position, where your first finger is on the first fret, second finger, second fret, third finger, third fret, fourth finger, fourth fret. And then about halfway through, you're switching to fifth position, where your first finger is on the fifth, second, sixth, third, seventh, fourth, eighth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only time that I'm not using each finger for each fret is in measure 12, when I'm going from the 8th fret on the E string to the 8th fret on the B string. And I use my pinky for the E and then my ring finger for the B. So, and when I go back to hit the 6th fret on the B string, I'm back to keeping my fingers this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. One, two, three, 4. 2, 3, 4.